Hello everyone, greetings from Eclipse Techno Consulting Global Private Limited. I am here with another video to tell you what is a referral code and how to use it. In our previous videos, we had shown you how to purchase the Startwrite software license by coming to this purchase page of our Startwrite India website. The price of the Startwrite license was 19.99 and the quantity was 1. Since we purchased one license and we clicked on this option of buy now to buy the license. You remember the small box here which asked for a referral code? Let's find out what is this referral code. The referral code is the code we sent to you for gaining a reward benefit for referring Startwrite India to any of your friends or colleagues. It is a numerical code that we sent to you in your email address after you successfully purchased a Startwrite software license. We had shown you that we received such an email regarding the referral code after purchase, and it gave us a referral code like this. So let's use this code and find out what is the benefit we will receive. With the referral code, you get a cash reward of rupees 50 for every single referral you make for us. On the other hand, the person who purchases the Startwrite software coming through your referral will get a benefit of rupees 25. In this manner, we will be able to reach more of your friends who are seeking to explore the benefits of the Startwrite India tool. You can refer as many friends you want with the referral code, and with every referral, you earn a cash reward of 50. That means you earn rupees 50 multiplied by the number of referrals you make. If you make 2 or 3 referrals, you will receive rupees 50 multiplied by 2 or 3. The more you refer, the more you will earn. Now you might be thinking, what is the use of it? So let me show you by applying this referral code here. Let's click here and you must insert the code here and click here on the apply option. Once you apply it, you see it says you save rupees 50. That means the earlier price 1999 has been reduced to 1949. So isn't it really beneficial? So the more you refer, the more you are going to earn even while using the Startwrite license. You might be thinking, how will you get this money earned through referrals? Will Startwrite India pay me? Yes, of course. We will automatically get updated in our system about the referrals you make for us. We value you as our customer and respect your faith in us. So we maintain an account, and at the end of the month, there will be a bank check issued in your name with the total amount of money you earned through the various referrals in the month. You just need to provide your residential address or your address for correspondence by writing to info@startwriteindia.com. Remember, you must provide your residential address or address for correspondence by writing to info@startwriteindia.com, and we will send you the bank check in that particular address. Therefore, refer as many friends and colleagues you want and help us serve you all better by the best handwriting learning tool with Startwrite. Wish you a very happy learning experience with Startwrite India and see you soon. Thank you.